Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT, Polkadot. Yeah, Polkadot chart shows us still here this 5-wave move up. We were exploring that throughout the last half in June, that we get a 5-wave move up. We were then waiting for a pullback into a support zone. That occurred and we had a reaction to the 38.2 retracement. What you normally want to see to indicate that a third wave rally has already started, for confirmation, we need a 5-wave move up above resistance. Resistance is typically here, the wave 1 high, 564 in this case. So to confirm that a third wave rally has started, in Elliott Wave, we need 5 waves up, we need 3 waves down, and 5 waves above resistance of the wave 1. Hasn't happened, okay? So you could even question, all right, we had the 5 waves up, potentially, only as a diagonal structure, so we need to be flexible here. It's not an impulse. Diagonals are always a bit messy. The idea is, okay, we came down in a wave 2 potentially, but this looks more like a 5-wave move down. But okay, let's assume it's a wave. Let's assume this is already all of wave 2 and this ABC structure finished here, which is possible because it reached the trend reversal area, right? So from that point of view, we now need to be observing potential for going higher. The problem is that this is not an impulse what has developed here. It's a 3-wave move. So the risk is it was just a high B wave. That means we need to keep the option open that price could test the yellow box again. That is support. Here, typically reward and risk is favorable. However, in the alternative wave count, price can go higher as long as we're holding the orange support. I've got that down to 514. So the primary scenario is still here. Wave 1 to the upside, A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. We could come a little lower. As long as we're holding 450, that's the relevant level. There is no, there is a chance for the third wave rally. Below 450, it will get very tough. Okay, so the idea really is, as long as we're holding 450, we can go higher. This really is the main bullish support on this chart. That's what ideally the bullish risk is measured against. Yeah, I mean the risk is measured against, because obviously the further away price goes from that support level, the risk increases, right? The risk is logical because it takes a break below 450 to indicate that this scenario has to shift. However, on the micro level, it could be the third wave has already started, and the scenario would then be wave 1 as just an ABC structure because it's corrective. I don't want to go too much into the academic side here, but if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. But this could be a wave 1. The move down could have been a wave 2 already. Yeah, a bit short. Therefore, primary scenario, we go a little lower, but okay. Then the third wave could unfold as an ABC structure. A wave, B wave, C wave. Okay, the C wave would get quite long, but okay, we can get further subdivisions. But the idea is, as long as we're holding here the 78.6 retracement at 514, there's a chance for a direct move up. But of course, you have 2 support levels above each other. So where do you need to measure your risk against? Typically this level here, because you certainly don't want to buy here, set the stop here, and then it goes lower and goes and rallies, right? So see it as one large support area. That's my best assessment currently of the DOT chart. What I just need to add is that it really looks at the moment like a high B wave. And well, the problem is though, you have 3 waves up, but also 3 waves down only. It's not a 5-wave move down, and this move up went too high. So it's a bit of a messy chart. So, but the relevant support is pretty clearly stated. And yeah, we have micro support at 535, 526 and 514. And if price can now break above the Friday, the 14th of July high, I think then it could really be that we're in this third wave. And the target for the third wave, let's discuss that as well. Target for the third wave would be $7.36 at least. Okay, if it's really a third wave, it should get there. Yeah, that's my update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.